The life of a leopard, a large and powerful big cat, is intriguing and revolves around various aspects such as habitat, behavior, diet, and reproduction. Below are some key points about the life of leopards. 1. Habitat. Leopards are highly adaptable and can be found in a wide range of habitats, including savannas, grasslands, forests, and mountainous regions. They are equally comfortable in both hot and cold climates. 2. Range. Leopards have one of the widest geographic ranges among big cats. They are distributed across Africa and parts of Asia, including India, China, and Southeast Asia. 3. Diet. Leopards are carnivorous predators with a diverse diet. They are known for their ability to hunt a variety of prey, including ungulates, such as impalas and deer, smaller mammals, like hares and monkeys, and birds. They are also capable of taking down larger prey, such as wildebeests. 4. Solitary nature. Leopards are generally solitary animals, and each individual establishes and defends its own territory. They are territorial creatures, marking their boundaries with scent markings and vocalizations to deter other leopards. 5. Nocturnal behavior. Leopards are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. Their nocturnal habits help them avoid competition with other large predators that are more active during the day. 6. Stealth and agility. Leopards are renowned for their stealth and agility. They are excellent climbers and are known to drag their kills into trees to avoid scavengers like hyenas and lions. 7. Reproduction. Female leopards give birth to a litter of 2 to 3 cubs after a gestation period of around 90 to 105 days. The cubs are born blind and are dependent on their mother for several months. Leopard mothers are fiercely protective of their cubs. 8. Maternal care. Leopard cubs remain with their mother for an extended period, usually around 18 to 24 months. During this time, the mother teaches them essential hunting and survival skills. Afterward, the young leopards disperse to establish their territories. 9. Threats and conservation. Leopards face various threats, including habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching for their skins and body parts. Some leopard populations are classified as near threatened or endangered, and conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats and mitigating human-wildlife conflict. 10. Human interaction. Leopards can come into conflict with humans, particularly in areas where their natural habitats overlap with human settlements. This can lead to incidents of livestock predation and, occasionally, attacks on humans. Conservation initiatives often involve finding ways to reduce such conflicts and promote coexistence. Understanding the life of leopards involves considering their role in ecosystems, their adaptations for survival, and the challenges they face in an increasingly human-dominated world. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the continued existence of these magnificent big cats. 11. Communication. Leopards use various vocalizations, including growls, roars, and meows, to communicate with each other. These vocalizations serve multiple purposes, including establishing territory, attracting mates, and communicating with cubs. 12. Adaptability to various climates. Leopards are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of climates, from the dense rainforests of Southeast Asia to the arid deserts of Africa. This adaptability contributes to their widespread distribution. 13. Unique spot patterns. Each leopard has a unique pattern of spots on its coat, which can be used to identify individuals. These spot patterns are not only aesthetically distinct but also aid researchers and conservationists in tracking and studying leopard populations. 14. Swimming ability. While leopards are not known for being as fond of water as some other big cats, they are competent swimmers. They can cross rivers and lakes when necessary and may even hunt in water. 15. Opportunistic hunters. Leopards are opportunistic hunters, meaning they are capable of adapting their hunting strategies based on the availability of prey. They may ambush from trees, stalk prey on the ground, or even scavenge when the opportunity arises. 16. Conservation status of different subspecies. There are several subspecies of leopards, and their conservation statuses can vary. For example, the Amur leopard is critically endangered with a very small population, while other subspecies may have more stable populations. 17. Relationship with other big cats. Leopards share habitats with other big cats, such as lions and cheetahs. Their interactions with these species can include competition for prey, avoidance, or even direct conflict. 18. Caching kills. Leopards often hoist their kills into the branches of trees to protect them from scavengers on the ground. This behavior is not only a means of food storage but also a way to prevent other predators from stealing their kills. 19. Urban adaptation. In some areas, leopards have shown an ability to adapt to urban environments. They may inhabit areas near human settlements, sometimes leading to conflicts with humans and the need for conservation strategies that promote coexistence. 20. Genetic diversity. Maintaining genetic diversity is crucial for the long-term survival of leopard populations. In fragmented habitats, efforts are made to address issues such as inbreeding and maintain healthy genetic variability. The life of leopards is marked by their versatility, from their ability to thrive in different environments to their diverse hunting strategies. Conservation efforts continue to be vital to protect these elusive and iconic big cats. 21. Intraspecific interactions. Interactions between leopards of the same sex and age group can be competitive. Dominance hierarchies may form, influencing access to resources such as territory and mates. These interactions are often complex and can vary based on factors like individual temperament and environmental conditions. 22. Longevity. The average lifespan of leopards in the wild is around 12 to 15 years. However, various factors such as predation, diseases, and competition can influence their lifespan. In captivity, leopards may live longer, with some reaching their late teens and early 20s. 23. Subtle social structure. While leopards are generally solitary, they may exhibit some degree of social behavior. Mothers with cubs, for example, form close-knit family units, and there are occasional sightings of leopards sharing kills or tolerating the presence of others in their territory. 24. Melanistic leopards. Some leopards exhibit a rare genetic condition known as melanism, which results in a black coat. These individuals are often referred to as black panthers. While their coat color is dark, the typical rosette patterns are still visible in certain lighting conditions. 25. Hunting techniques. Leopards are known for their stealth and ability to ambush prey. They often stalk their target, getting as close as possible before launching a burst of speed for a short chase. Their powerful jaws and sharp claws enable them to take down a wide range of prey. 26. Impact of trophy hunting. In some regions, leopards are subjected to trophy hunting, which has raised conservation concerns. Sustainable management and regulation of trophy hunting are topics of debate and often involve considerations of population dynamics and conservation goals. 27 Vocalizations during mating. During the mating season, male and female leopards engage in vocalizations to communicate their presence and receptiveness. Mating pairs may stay together for a brief period before going their separate ways. 28 Conflict with humans. Human-leopard conflict can arise when leopards come into proximity with human settlements. This may result in attacks on livestock or, in rare cases, encounters with humans. Addressing these conflicts often involves strategies such as securing livestock and creating wildlife corridors. 29 Conservation genetics. Genetic studies play a crucial role in leopard conservation. Understanding the genetic diversity and population structure helps conservationists implement effective strategies to maintain healthy populations and mitigate the risks of inbreeding. 30 Satellite tracking and research. Advancements in technology, such as satellite tracking collars, have allowed researchers to gather valuable data on leopard movements, ranging patterns, and behavior. This information is essential for developing conservation plans and understanding the ecological needs of leopard populations. The life of leopards is rich with complexity, reflecting their roles as adaptable predators in diverse ecosystems. Conservation efforts strive to balance the needs of these majestic cats with the challenges posed by habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and other threats. 31 Health and disease. Like all wildlife, leopards can be susceptible to diseases. Parasites, viral infections, and bacterial diseases can affect their health. Conservation efforts often include monitoring the health of leopard populations to detect and address potential disease outbreaks. 32 Range size. The size of a leopard's home range can vary depending on factors such as prey availability, habitat quality, and sex. Male leopards generally have larger home ranges that may overlap with the territories of multiple females. 33 Seasonal movement patterns. Leopards may exhibit seasonal movement patterns, especially in response to changes in prey distribution or environmental conditions. Some leopards may shift their ranges or alter their behaviors during the dry and wet seasons. 34 Threats from snakes. Leopards are known to be capable of climbing trees to escape threats or to hoist their kills. However, they face a unique danger from snakes that may climb trees to prey on leopard cubs or steal leopard kills. 35 Impact on ecosystems. As apex predators, leopards play a crucial role in shaping ecosystems. Their presence helps regulate prey populations, influencing vegetation dynamics and supporting overall biodiversity. Conservation efforts often consider the ecological importance of maintaining healthy leopard populations. 36 Caching kills in trees. Hoisting kills into trees not only protects them from scavengers but also serves as a strategy to keep the food away from other large predators, such as lions and hyenas, that might steal the leopard's kill. 37 Conservation through tourism. Responsible wildlife tourism can contribute to leopard conservation by providing economic incentives for local communities to protect habitats and wildlife. Well-managed ecotourism initiatives can benefit both leopards and local economies. 38 Research on urban leopards. In some regions, leopards have adapted to living in close proximity to human settlements. Urban areas may pose unique challenges for leopard conservation, and researchers study the behavior and ecology of these urban populations to develop effective conservation strategies. 39 Female independence. Female leopards are generally more independent than males, and they often establish territories away from their mothers. This independence is crucial for reducing competition for resources within the same area. 40 Imitation of bird calls. Leopards have been observed imitating the calls of prey animals, such as birds, to get closer to their targets before launching an ambush. This behavior demonstrates their intelligence and adaptability in hunting strategies. Understanding these various facets of the life of leopards contributes to a more comprehensive view of their ecological roles, behaviors, and the challenges they face in the wild. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving their habitats and mitigating threats are essential for ensuring the continued existence of these magnificent big cats. 41 Conservation strategies. Conservationists employ various strategies to protect leopard populations, including the creation and management of protected areas, community-based conservation initiatives, and anti-poaching efforts. Conservation projects often involve collaboration with local communities to address human-wildlife conflict, promote sustainable land use, and raise awareness about the importance of leopard conservation. 42 Thermal imaging in research. Researchers use thermal imaging technology to study leopard behavior, especially during the night. This technology aids in tracking the movements of leopards, studying their hunting strategies, and understanding their interactions with other nocturnal wildlife. 43 Unique color variations. Besides melanism, black coat, leopards can also exhibit variations in coat color and pattern based on their geographic location. For example, leopards in arid regions may have a lighter coat color compared to those in dense forests. 44 Vocal individuality. Leopards have distinct vocalizations, and individual leopards may be identified by their unique calls. This can be crucial for researchers conducting acoustic monitoring or studying the communication patterns within a population. 45 Research on hybridization. In certain regions where leopard and jaguar habitats overlap, there have been documented cases of hybridization between the two species. Understanding the dynamics of hybridization is an area of ongoing research. 46 Scavenging behavior. While leopards are skilled hunters, they are also opportunistic scavengers. They may feed on carrion when the opportunity arises, showcasing their adaptability to various food sources. 47 Leopards and livestock. Human-leopard conflict often arises due to livestock predation. Conservationists work with communities to implement measures like secure livestock enclosures to reduce such conflicts and minimize retaliatory killings of leopards. 48 Impact of fire. Wildfires can influence leopard habitat and prey availability. Research on the ecological impact of fires helps conservationists understand how these events affect leopard populations and their ecosystems. 49 Impact of climate change. Climate change can affect leopard habitats by altering vegetation patterns and prey distribution. Understanding these impacts is crucial for developing conservation strategies that address the challenges posed by a changing climate. 50 Education and outreach. Education and outreach programs are essential components of leopard conservation. These initiatives aim to foster a deeper understanding of leopards, their ecological importance, and the need for their protection among local communities and the broader public.